What do you study in the lab?
In this lab, we study parasites, mainly ticks, and myself, I work with the winter tick, which is called Dermacentor albipictus.
Very cool.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about the winter tick. I have no idea what that is.
The winter tick, it looks like the regular dog ticks that we have here, except it has a little more white on it. That's how you can tell it's an albipictus. They often are, they're often from Alberta. They sometimes can carry bacteria called rickettsia, which I do test for, which can carry Rocky Mountain spotted fever, so they're common in the Rocky Mountains.
All right. And where do you get the winter ticks from to study?
We get them, they're from all over Canada. A lot of them come from Alberta, but also Saskatchewan and Manitoba we found them.
Okay. What kind of things do you analyze the ticks for?
I check them for anaplasma, because it can cause anaplasmosis in cattle, as one of the other things other than rickettsia, which is the Rocky Mountain spotted fever.
Have you discovered anything exciting or fun for you about these subjects?
We did find a tick that had, it was kind of half male and half female. It hadn't developed quite properly, but it was actually split down the middle. So one side of it had male parts and the other side had female parts. That was really cool.
That's fascinating. Have you ever seen anything like that before?
No, none of us had. So it was really,
Oh, wow.
really neat. Not too common. So.
Is that not too common? So it happens? You've heard of it happening? Or
Yeah, we took it to Dr. Chilton, and he had some photos from years ago, one that he had, but yeah, not very common.
Very cool. What's your favorite thing about the research?
I like learning about the ticks and being able to tell my friends and family about them, and because if people are concerned about different health problems, I can tell them that this isn't a problem, what could be.
How many people work in this lab?
There are two of us working full-time, and then we're going to have one PhD student and two honors students throughout the next year of school coming in a couple times a week.
So, yeah, I was just going to ask if students work in the lab, and it's the one PhD and two honor students?
Yeah, they'll be in a couple times a week. We did have 3 summer students who are still doing their undergrad work this summer.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much of your time do you spend in the lab?
40 hours a week.
Okay, yeah,
full-time.
so full-time. How about the students? Just a couple times a week?
Yeah, while they're doing their honors, throughout the school year, they'll just come in when they have time between classes.
Okay.
They were here full-time just for the summer while they were working.
Right. What kind of data do you collect with the ticks?
We do PCRs on them, so polymerase chain reactions in a machine, and it duplicates DNA billions of times.
Oh, wow.
And then we're able to send that away for sequencing, and then when we get that back, we can analyze it and use different computer programs. It'll give us its entire DNA sequence, and then we can verify that it is the type of tick we thought it was, and yeah.
So how much science goes into that? That sounds like a lot of steps.
Yeah, it sounds really cool. It's I don't know. Yeah, you make up little tubes of DNA with different buffers and other things in them, and you put it in the machine, and the different heat temperatures replicate the DNA. And then once that is done, we can send that away to the health science building, and they'll send it away for sequencing.
Oh, wow, that's very interesting.
Yeah.
Is there anything dangerous in this lab?
Not too many things. Some of the chemicals that we use and reagents are a little dangerous. We have one when we extract DNA that breaks down organic material, so if you get it on your hands, that's really bad.
Yeah.
For you?
I noticed an Eyewash station outside.
Yes, we have an Eyewash station. We don't really have to wear goggles. We're not doing too much chemicals, but yeah, some stuff, the DNA, you don't want to touch.
Yeah. How did you decide that this is what you wanted to do? Did you get an education for this?
Yes, I got my 4-year biology degree.
Okay.
And then I got really lucky and got a chance to work in this lab. Working here, I really like learning about biology, different animals, and stuff.
Yeah. How did you decide that this was the way to go?
I love animals and the environment, so any kind of job you can get with that. I was really lucky to get this job right away because some people have trouble finding a job right out of school.
Yeah.
So I decided it was great because it was a great opportunity.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.